The detail generator tool is now live. Just wanted to show you guys how it works. Check it out. It's on sprinklersystemcalculator.com. You get to it by clicking on the detail generator. So I'm going to refresh it actually, so we can start over, show you. Okay, pretty simple. It's literally just a drag and drop tool where you can take and build whatever it is that you have in your mind for sprinklers, as long as the parts exist on here. It doesn't have all parts yet, but at some point I hope to have this be a more comprehensive tool. Right now it's built, I guess, with my own just my own ideas in mind so far. So obviously there's going to be things missing because it's built to be able to make details the way that I would typically make them. So it creates a list of parts. Right now I was building up what, basically what it was going to look like to have the stuff as far as the components that you wanted to, if you were, say, building a manifold. Let's do a double union manifold. And it's an overlay system, so all it is they're PNG images. And whoops, I grabbed the wrong one. Oh, it's because it's behind it. Move that out of the way while I work on it. Some of the stuff is a little clunky because it's for my first go, for one thing. But it's pretty simple to move stuff out of the way to be able to work on what you have to work on. And then you can see how this is cutting off right there. Obviously, in real life, it could never do that. So that's what these layer tools are for. You can move it up or down, whether you're moving it backwards or forwards. A lot of that has to do with where the other items are placed. So you just click on them and move them around where they belong. Literally, it's set up so that hopefully you can go through the list of parts and put together the design details for a sprinkler system, if that's what you're planning, what you're working on. And all the stuff is like, you can change your labels. This detail here, eventually I'm going to have it set to where you can adjust the size. Right now it's not, but that'll be fixed in a future version. Then you can also name it. Let's see, valve, if I can spell. Oh, it already says detail. All right, well, I'll just put valves. And I mean, again, it's able to be moved around so that if you can keep it out of your way. You got a pretty decent sized screen. It's an 8.5 by 11 basically sheet, and then you can export to PNG. At some point it will also be export to PDF, but I've had some issues with it lately, so at the moment it's only export to PNG. Check it out. Go play with it a little bit. If you go in here, there's a contact portion here, and oh, never mind. Not on this particular one. Apparently, like I say, it's just barely up and running. So, if it's not working, then sorry. I'm gonna do the best I can to get it up and running. But I'll fix that link too. But why don't you just contact me and let me know what you think, if there's an issue, or write something on the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.